want to know what we need to do in our own communities.
At the forefront has been Jahmal Cole, founder of My Block, My Hood, My City.
Jahmal, your organization already stepped in to help with the COVID-19 crisis by delivering groceries to the elderly. But what are you doing now that we are in the midst of these protests and demonstrations?
Well, our motto of My Block, My Hood, My City is taking care of people no matter what. So right now there's a lot of small businesses that have reached out, about 75 businesses that have been looted. You know, they need help with graffiti removal, they need help with painting, they need help with construction, and a lot of glass, so they need help sweeping that up. So what we've been doing is shifting volunteers to them to help out, and we've also started a small business relief fund on our website where we're taking donations to support these small businesses right now.
I love that.
Yeah, are there more people stepping in to help right now?
Oh yeah, right now it feels like everybody's trying to create that small ripple of change. You know, you can start really simple on your block as well. If you can grab a broom and a dustpan, go out to the business corridor and help out. I think everybody's showing these small acts of kindness to create a wave of change in Chicago right now.
Thank you, Jahmal. I love that saying. It's really the small things that add up right now. To find out more about how you can donate or volunteer, you can go to NBCChicagoToday.com.